Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will teach you how to set up automatic shutdown on PlayStation VR2. To begin this process, we must have our PlayStation VR2 helmet well connected to the PS5 console. Once we have it connected and turned on, we can go to its configuration. To do this, we will enter the settings option of the main screen. Then click on the category of Accessories, and in the new window, click on PlayStation VR2 in the left panel. Here we will scroll down and look for the option of Set Time until your PlayStation VR2 turn off. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Clicking will open a secondary panel with the possible options that we can choose. We can select the time that would elapse before the VR2 turns off, or choose Don't Turn Off, so that it does not turn off automatically. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.